In this video clip, I'll be showing you the proper hand positioning for a belt sander. If you take a look at our belt sanding unit, you'll notice that there are two handles, one at the rear and one at the front. You typically want your dominant hand to be on the handle at the rear with the trigger switch, and you want your other hand to be holding on to the other handle. As you're using the belt sander, you want to make sure you maintain a firm grip. In addition, my thumb has easy access to that trigger lock, so I can turn it on easily and release it easily. You do want to make sure that you're using two hands when using the belt sander. If you only use one hand, it is really hard to control and it can get away from you easily. This could also damage your workpiece just by not having that control.